Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install music applications to your Hisense Smart TV. If you love the video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. So if you have an Hisense Smart TV, here's how it's going to look like. And before now, you must have realized there is no way you can use Google Play Store on a Hisense Smart TV. Neither can you use downloader or install APK or sideload apps. So the only applications you can use on a Hisense Smart TV is the applications that come on the App Store. But do not worry, the good news is that there are some quite interesting applications on the App Store. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to install music application from the App Store. So what you have to do is just go over to the App Store and launch it and then wait for it to load. So when the App Store launches like this, what you've got to do is just to scroll down to the option that says music. So as I said, there are lots of options, but here's the music options, and you can see there are 26 different applications here. So what you have to do is just to scroll through them and look for the application you want to install. So these are all music applications, but as you can realize, the sad news is that there are no applications like Spotify here, neither are there applications like Apple Music or maybe your favorite music application that you know. So you can just go ahead and try the new ones, and that's the limitations of smart TV. So these are all the music applications you can install to your Hisense Smart TV.